Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have had a fabulous day. Today we are going to be making some vintage faux postcards. I have used my VIP lounge membership paper for the month of July. In case you're new to my channel, my VIP lounge is a monthly membership where for the price of £2, yes, £2, which I think is what, $3, I think, $3-4, very cheap. You get loads of digital papers you can download every month from my website. Before I show you how to make those lovely postcards, let me showcase everything that you get when you join my monthly membership. The first collection of papers that you get when you join in July is called Summer Travels. Summer Travels is a collection, is loads of papers, quite few actually, full of background, ephemera, etc. Just going to show you page by page really quickly. There's a lot of flowers, there is a lot of bright colors, there's a lot of feminine details, etc. This kit was requested by the lovely Natasha. Natasha's asked me if I can design something pretty quite feminine with a holiday theme. So I was like, yes, leave it with me. So Natasha, I hope you enjoy this kit. So we got background, we got ephemera, the lovely postcards. We're going to do a video with this soon. One with a feminine girl. That's, I think, what, when Natasha was describing the theme, I think that's what she meant. We got some tabs that you can fussy cut to put on a journal. Another background. We've got some embellishment here, so we've got some butterflies on each side, and over with the glasses, and of course the maps. Another lovely background. The color palette all mix and match together. It's all like purple and pinks. Envelopes, so we've got your traditional envelope and scallop envelope here. This is my favorite page. We're gonna do another video with this as well, because I want to use my die cut as well. I've got some ideas I want to do with those, but I've done the hard work for you. Just need to fussy cut it. Another background, and then another page. Of course, you can make journals by folding this in half. This will be your cover, front and back, or you can fussy cut the elements, or you can fussy cut each element. Do what you pleased. Another background, some tags. I love the drink. I could do with one of that. Okay, so this is a very large kit. Also, every month you get a set of tags / bookmarks, because I wanted to keep it with the same kind of like floral, same color palette. I'm giving you a collection of bookmarks with some dragonflies and some water lilies. So I hope you enjoy playing with this. Again, these are designed to be bookmarks, but also you can make tags or like little ephemera pieces. Also, every month you get a 3D gift box. Now, we finished the alphabet, so we've done letter A to letter Z. No, I think we've done everything, and I'm going to show you the alphabet very quickly. My VIP members got the alphabet 3D gift boxes for free. Of course, now they are available on my website for you guys, for everybody to buy. But now we've done the alphabet, and now we started with the numbers. So the first number, of course, is number 0, and this is what it looks like. So you also get the page with the instruction. You just need to print this twice, because you got your front 0 and your back 0, which completely symmetrical, and then you got all your tabs. And let me show you what that number 0 looks like when it's done up. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's done up, and I just put the butterflies on top, and of course all the 3D gift boxes stand up on its own. Okay, and to show you very quickly what the alphabet look like, I'm just gonna speed it up for you. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M N O P Q and R S. Lovely, like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N. Also, every month you receive a digital magazine. Now, this month you get a copy of the British Glamour. This is from SS20, and it gives you 199 pages. Of course, this is a magazine that you can read on your desktop or iPad, or also you can print pages like this, for example, full of colors, full of florals, and use as a mixed media or as a base for your project and also for your junk journals as well. Last but not least is a little gift. Every month I send you a gift to all my VIP members. Normally is another collection. Now this is a mini collection, and we were watching Beauty and the Beast on we got a DVD, me and Jamie, and the live action movie, not the cartoon, and I was fascinated by the Beast, and he has a lot of like details, so I thought create a little paper packs for people like myself. They like that sort of like elegance, rich renaissance, and then I just put some animals. I've done something very similar last year, but not as opulent as this. So you got, these are designed to be separate pages, but again you can use it as covers if you make like notebooks or journals, or you can fussy cut them. So you got the one with the peacock. I love him, he's so cute. Yeah, there's a lot of like details, and that's the last one when we got the giraffe, and they're quite shabby, I want to say, quite French inspired, because Beauty of the Beast is kind of like filmed in France because Belle. So yeah, I just hope you like it. Okay guys, so this is the starting page. Of course I have done the hard work for you. I designed the postcards. Now I have these stencil for years and years. I think it was from Craft Stash. I think it was their own brand called Everyday Journaling or something like that. But I believe if you type, I don't know, like postcard stencil or postcard stamp stencils on eBay or on Amazon or other shops, you might find something similar. But this is a very strong plastic stencil. And when I design every postcards on my kit, I cannot use this as a measurement, because what I'm simply going to do, I'm going to cut the postcards, the 4 postcards, and I'm going to use like a slightly thicker cut brown cardstock, and then I'm going to stencil this. I normally use my Distress Oxide in the color of Vintage Photo, and what I do, I use one of my finger sponges, and then I literally stencil that. But let me cut everything, and then I'm just gonna speed it up so you will see what it looks like. I tend to do brown on brown, but if you want more like a drastic stencil effect, you can add some black. I'm just going to give you a couple of options so you can see what you can decorate it, but you don't have to have the stencil postcard. You can simply fussy cut them and then kind of like draw the middle line, some of the lines, and then the postcard, the stamps page. If you have vintage stamps, you can actually glue the stamps in there just to give them more like a truthful effect. Okay, so I've made the postcards very easy. So this is, I used the brown and black together, and then the one with the brown cardstock, I just used the black ink just to distress it around. I stencil that, and then those two are more like a salmon, like this sort of color. Don't know what color you see on camera, but it's like a very creamy salmony color. Salmon is probably the best way to describe it. So on one I left the brown ink, and on the second one I used brown and black together, so you can probably see the different look. Okay, so now I just don't want to leave it as they are because they're a bit plain. So I've got this stamp here. This was gifted to me by the lovely Steph, and I'm going to stamp this and make like a little decoration on top. I'm just going to use the brown excuse me, the brown ink. I don't want to be too dark. And what I'm going to try to do, actually, I want to see if I use the first generation stamp or second. So the first or second, I like them both. I might use the first on some of them and then the second. So let's start with this one. Yeah, that's nice. And I use the second generation on this one here. I might just do that. Yeah, just keep stamping. Quite like it. Quite vintage. I don't want them, yeah, I just think they need a little bit of decoration. They're a bit too plainy. So just going to stamp that there. Up there. And then on last one, I'm just gonna do second generation stamp. Yeah, perfect. I like them. So let me bring them all in there. It's amazing. What do you guys think? Very easy, very quick to make. Excuse me. This is sort of a project that you kind of don't need to do much because I have done the design for you. You just need to pull them all together and decorate them. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up, and I really appreciate if you join my monthly membership. For the price of £2, you get loads of digital goodies. Let me showcase where to find it on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there, so you see all my papers. Okay, so I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template we're doing alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. I'm going to go. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And then until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.